Hey folks, welcome back to the Jim Handy channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by to check out the channel. Today we have just a little project. This is a chalk line. It's a fairly old one, somewhere between the mid-30s and maybe mid-50s, 1950s. I'm not real sure. I think the brand name of this is Dandee Manufacturing. That's spelled D-A-N-D-E-E, I think. In any event, I found this actually in an old toolbox that belonged to my dad. I didn't even know he had this. I suspect he was using this at a time when he was doing work on a construction crew, working on bridges throughout Kentucky, I think a little bit up into Indiana in that. In any event, a chalk line, in case you're not familiar with what these are used for, they're used generally in the construction industry. They're typically filled with a colored chalk substance, powder substance, and there is a string that uncoils. And the idea is you can create markings or lines across a longer distance with these. They're used commonly in the roofing industry. I know that they are from time to time used in the masonry industry and just general construction and building industry. So in any event, it has this line, it has a little crank here. You can roll it back up, and it's just a really simple tool, and it's just a way to make a mark on something that's longer than you could typically do with a straight edge or something along those lines. It doesn't really work. The string only comes out so far. It stops. This cap on top is supposed to unscrew. It is stuck. I haven't tried pliers on it yet, but in all likelihood that's going to be needed. This cap, this little rim right through here, is supposed to come off. I haven't been able to accomplish that yet, so I think we've got a lot of rust going on, and of course you can see some of the rust here actually. So what we're going to try and do is just really simple. We're going to take this apart. We're going to see if we can restore it, get it back into working condition, and just have it as a something collectible that belonged to my dad, and something just to show people. Probably won't be using it. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking from this point forward. Just going to be restoring this. So follow along and let's see how we do with this. Well, folks, that's it. We've completed our little restoration. Actually, it turned out pretty nice. There was a little bit of work involved, a lot of just kind of sanding, buffing. There was some rust. It was mostly just all surface rust, but we have it actually back in operating order, as you have seen now. And one little surprise, and you can't see it on the, it's just really hard to see it, but on the back, my dad had actually etched his name into this. And I didn't see that at all until I removed the rust, and then it showed up. So I had to be really careful not to get rid of that. But in any event, oh, and I did date this. This is a mid-1930s tape measure, which means, or not tape measure, chalk line, which means it could have belonged to my grandfather. Not sure about that. I can't say that for sure. But I know that my dad used it again when he was working up in Kentucky and Indiana doing bridge work. But in any event, it's like new, working like a champ, and it was a lot of fun to do. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do it. Greatly appreciate it. Costs nothing. And hope everybody has a great day and a great week. And we'll see you again on the next video. Take care.